He'd be alright.
A little bit higher.
We should move that stick, huh?
No, I put it there because it's getting stuck there.
Oh yeah.
No worries.
It's not as heavy as that thing, so we'll fucking just...
He snapped the stick.
Fair enough.
Yeah. Fuck, muddies make such a difference.
No, but
Snapped the stick.
I reckon even if he had muddies, like, one of his wheels are going up.
Yeah.
Hey bro, that's a fucking hell of an angle, man.
Fuck.
Look at his wheel.
Yeah, no. He's gonna snap his axle.
Yeah, I know. You gotta reverse that to get the strap. Hey, don't talk.